Best coke plug in Statesboro.
Me.
Me?
Me.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday? Happy birthday. Hey! Okay. You gotta hold his hand, it'll count. What you want for your birthday?
$50.
She want dick for her birthday, so give her dick. So guys, give her dick. That's all she want.
Preferably a 6-foot dreadhead.
Huh?
A 6-foot dreadhead.
6-foot dreadhead. She want a 6-foot dreadhead. Who's the best coke plug in Statesboro? First letter.
N.
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 N. That's 2 N's. How you feel about a bitch in Statesboro?
They're whores.
How you feel about a bitch in Statesboro?
Same as always.
Same as always. Hey, what's your name, bro? What's your name? What's your name?
No, don't talk to me. Say ya, sucker!
Huh?
Say ya, sucker!
Say ya, sucker, eh? Who's the best coke plug in Statesboro?
I don't go here.
Where you go? Where you go?
KSU.
You got some great blow there.
I want to know.
Who's the best plug?
I want to know.
Well, yes, you do. You don't smoke weed?
Nah.
Lame as fuck. Lame as fuck. Lame as fuck. You don't smoke weed. He's a bitch. Woo! Woo! That's not my brother, that's my twin. Who serves the best coke in Statesboro?
Cut the can.
Hey,
I know you go.
Who's the best plug in?
I know
We.
you go.
Who's the baddest bitch in the world? You gotta say her name.
She don't work here no more. She don't work here no more.
The baddest bitch don't work here no more. Who's the best plug in Statesboro?
DC.
DC.
That's a fact, Jack.
DC the best plug in Statesboro, baby. Tanner! Come here.
YouTube video you finna put me in.
Who's the best plug in Statesboro?
The who? We already know what.
The best plug. Plug. C. C's the best fucking plug. I'll fuck with C.
Big C.
Big C. We're crippin', buddy. Hey, we're crippin', buddy. Big C.
Is this for YouTube?
No, OnlyFans. Gotta pay for it. OnlyFans. Gotta fucking pay for it. The fuck is she talking about? I'm an OnlyFans creator. The Cappers. Subscribe to our fucking OnlyFans. I need a coke plug. I'm not vlogging. I'm doing OnlyFans. It's a difference. Look, she didn't want to be in the OnlyFans, so fuck her. Who's the best plug in Statesboro?
Like, me?
Don't matter.
I don't know. Me.
Say the first letter of his name.
Me?
You're a plug? Wow. Plugs.
My mama. What's his name? Oh, my friend.
Going to jail. Going to jail.
Chat, come on, nigga. I ain't asking the same question that nigga asked. Fuck no. I'm about to be like, what's the chance of you coming home with me tonight? On my mama though. What you talking about? Come with me. What's the chance of you going home with me tonight?
0.
0?
0.
Why you say that?
0.
Damn.
I don't go here.
So? Damn, I'm ugly, chat. That's crazy. Cool. What's your name?
Jules.
Jules. Nice to meet you. Ah!
Yeah, watch out, man.
What's up, nigga?
You trying to take her home?
Hell yeah!
You better keep on walking, man.
God did bit with your sister for sure. I don't know what he did with you, but he did. I'll just play.
You're straight, bro.
I'll fuck with you.
Zay got a top of 3 10s tonight. 3 10s and 3 10s only. Come on. Hey, well, who's the best plug in Statesboro?
Me?
Yeah. Hey, come on. Whoa.
Money. Soon inside. Okay, I can read you like a magazine.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up?
Get along with some ex-lovers, but you love them way too far. cappers are the best. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh God, who's the best coke plug in Statesboro? Let me know.
Oh, I don't know, dude. I'm in the Marine Corps. I can't even do drugs, bro.
Who's the best coke plug in Statesboro?
I don't think I can say the name, to be honest with you.
Hold on, first letter. I know every plug.
First
Jay.
Jay, the best coke
Jay.
plug. Yeah.
The
Best coke plug in
Jay.
Statesboro, Jay.
Ain't that right, though? Yeah.
I know exactly. I don't know who he's talking about. Bro. Who's the best coke plug in Statesboro? Don't say the whole.
I don't know, bro.
Listen, don't say the whole name. Just say.
I'm not doing
first
coke,
letter.
bro. I do not do coke.
You gotta do coke at least the rest of your life.
I've never done coke ever in my life.
Once. You gotta do it once.
I've never done
I'm
one.
saying you got
I got to. I'm missing out.
you missing out.
You do it all the time.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you do it all the time. I
I
never
didn't
do
say
that.
that. Say his name.
Coke plug?
Don't say his name. Don't say his name. Coke plug? Coke plug. Who's the best coke plug?
What's my answer then?
Coke
His name.
I know exactly who you talking about. Who's the best coke plug? Don't say his name. Letters. Only the first letter. Yeah. First letter of his name.
It's low-key Jay. It's Jay,
Jay.
right?
So if you in Kennesaw, go get your coke from Jay. Hit the plug up. Jay serves the best coke. 100% coke. No fentanyl. Don't fuck with him. Documentary, man.
Rain like fuck. Gotta go in the
Gotta go inside.
Gotta go inside. Rain like fuck. Bro, the nigga tripping. Rain like fuck. Fuck, nigga, you still ain't talking?
The cappers are the best. Like and subscribe.
These niggas can't handle with the game. I'm about to go cop me a chain. The capper, you know that's the game. Do 200, I'm going insane. I'm sliding, you seeing the flames. If I do it, gotta do it twice. Two vibes, they're pretty and nice. Only keep it on just for the night.